Fall is a great time of year to look at the landscape and figure out what you might want in your own garden the following year. We have some really interesting forms, and they get revealed especially when they go into fall color against something that doesn't color up. Behind me we have a beautiful native shrub that is New Jersey tea, blooms with white flowers, interesting seed heads, this nice dark green rounded form, and it's not used very often in the landscape and doesn't get very big. It's set off by the incredible gold of Ansonia with that quiet, small textured foliage, which will last for a very, very long time, and again take up a lot of space without being a shrub. We have Baptisia, which is wonderful, early spring blooming, big if you get the big ones, smaller if you don't, beautiful spikes of flowers, and then seed heads that are blackish, they rattle. The foliage itself actually turns sort of a silver gray, hangs on the plant during the entire winter until it gets too windy, then blows across the landscape just like a big tumbleweed. So take a look at what is turning color, what isn't. Remember, it's fleeting, so you have to get out there when the sky is blue, the sun is shining, and everything is absolutely perfect.